Beth Swigert is one of 176 people in Illinois who contracted West Nile virus last year.
I noticed a rash on my body. I had a rash on my chest and my arms, and I just thought it was something. I put Benadryl on it and thought it would go away.
Days later, the flu symptoms kicked in. Then it quickly got worse.
I just was delirious. I didn't know what, I was so disoriented, I didn't know what was going on. I drove across the railroad tracks and hit a telephone pole or an Ameren pole, knocked it over. Don't recall it at all.
Her family took her to the emergency room. She was diagnosed with a severe case of West Nile and spent 23 days in the hospital.
I had the encephalitis, which is the swelling of the brain, so that's why I kind of blocked out the first 3 or 4 days. I didn't remember hardly anything.
She had to get speech therapy, occupational and physical therapy, and she also couldn't work for 3 months. Jim Roberts, the environmental health director at Champaign-Urbana Public Health District, says Swigert's case is uncommon.
People can be bitten by an infected mosquito, but about 4 out of 5 people are not affected at all. 20% develop some kind of symptoms, and then a very small amount develop some very serious symptoms.
In the worst cases, it can be debilitating, affecting body movement and brain function. That's why Roberts and his research team trap and collect mosquitoes to test for West Nile and track it in Champaign County. He says there are some tips to avoid the virus. Look for stagnant water that collects in areas around your home, even in uncommon places like corrugated drains. It's best to avoid being out during the hours of dusk and dawn when mosquitoes come out in masses.
Wear protective clothing, long sleeves, long pants, socks, and then also use EPA registered insect repellent.
The CU Public Health District posts the level of mosquito activity in the area. We'll have a link to that information on our website at WCIA.com. In the newsroom, I'm Jennifer Jensen, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Jennifer, thanks. The first positive test of West Nile has been confirmed in Illinois for the year. The Department of Public Health says it's in DuPage County. Staff there collected the positive mosquito in the town of Wayne. No human cases have been reported so far.